Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable or disable the Chrome's bookmark side panel. So let's go quick into it. So open your Google Chrome, just type it and search for it in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the Google Chrome browser, what we can do is that whenever your Chrome is updated, it will have this feature wherein in alignment with the search bar, you will have the bookmark side panel wherein if you click on that, this will show you all the marks in the side panel. Now in my case, I have just disabled it, so that's why I cannot access it from here. However, in your case, if you want to enable that or you want to simply disable that, then let's go quick into the process. In the search bar, type here Chrome colon // flags. It's Chrome colon // flags. Hit enter. Now another search bar will appear. Type here side. Then you will find this option. Toolbar pinning enables the ability to pin features to the toolbar via the customized Chrome side panel. Click on enabled if you want to enable. Side panel resizing. If you want to resize, just simply click on enabled. You also have here customize Chrome side panel extension card. So just simply enable this too. Then once done, those three options, just simply click on relaunch. Then you have just enabled the bookmarks side panel on your Google Chrome browser. However, if you don't like it, you want to disable it, then just simply go back to Chrome colon // flags and type here, or you can just directly search for available right here. Then you will have all the options that you have enabled. Just simply disable all of that. Then click on relaunch. Here's also another way on how you can have that bookmark side panel on your Google Chrome if you don't have it. Click on these three dots and you have this option right here, bookmarks and list. You have here bookmark, show all bookmarks. So if you click on that, this will show all the bookmarks on the Google Chrome. And if you click on this pin, this will be pinned in the toolbar. However, if you also don't like this, then just simply click on close side panel. Then bookmarks here. On how we can remove that, click again on bookmarks and list, and you have here show all bookmarks. Just simply unpin and then close this. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.